You want to automate the counting of the characters in a cell. So I'm going to show you a formula, and I'm going to show you how to do this in AppScript. So here we have equals len for length, and we can put a2. We can copy and paste that down, but we're going to get 0 even if we have nothing there. So we could automate this or make it look a little bit magic by saying if in parentheses is blank a2, and then put a couple commas, and then and that. Now we have blank. We have nothing until we type something in. There, 12 characters. But what if we don't want a formula at all? I'm going to show you how to do that in an AppScript. Go to extensions, AppScript. Follow along. It's not as hard as. We're going to change our function to onEdit. We'll name this automate count length. Our function onEdit has an e or variable that we can call it event. You can put any word here you want. We'll put e, and it has some really cool information like variable row equals e.range.getRow. So we know what row we're on, and we know what sheet we're on just by going spreadsheet app.get active sheet with parentheses .get name, and if, and we'll put in parentheses sheet equals data, which is the sheet we're on. Then we're going to execute something in these curly brackets. And what are we going to execute? Well, we need to get the value. So we'll do spreadsheet app.get active spreadsheet parentheses get sheet by name. We'll get data, get range. We'll go to the row we're on, we'll go to the first column, which is the A column, and we'll get value. Now, getting the value is just getting what's inside of that cell. So we'll call this variable word equals, and variable length is equal to word.length. And now, in order to put it into the B column, we're going to take all of this that we just typed here, that get value, we're going to paste it, and instead of row and 1, or the A column, we're going to put 2, and instead of get value, we're going to do set value. But what is the value we're going to set? It's going to be length, L-E-N-G-H, which is this variable here. We'll save this all without doing anything else. We'll go back and we'll type something more here, hit enter, and we did have a formula here, but it actually got overwritten by this data. So let's delete all of this, and I'm going to say hello some more. Count me in. Please count me now. And each time I'm doing that, a length is coming in, and it's going to be added automatically. Isn't that cool? We're automating the counting of all of these without using a formula by just using AppScript, and we don't see the underlying formula here. Just in case you wanted to do that, that's how you do it. If you enjoy this kind of thing and you want to learn more about programming, check out Master Spreadsheet Automation over on Udemy. I'll put a link in the description. Or just keep watching videos here on Better Sheets on YouTube. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.